Action.
Action.
No, I do that. And
welcome back to a new video, everybody. I hope y'all enjoyed the previous video of me giving back to my nephew with my new series that I created called The Give Back. Giving back to my friends, family, close ones, loved ones, all that kind of good jazz and stuff like that. But today's video is going to be about some pickups that I picked up from Human Made. It's one of the brands I've been following for a while, and just a dope ass brand, and just something that the older I get, I feel like my style changes, and what Human Made is more of my kind of style now, and kind of aesthetic that I like. I don't like too much graphics, but just enough just to get the point across. And yeah, I finally got all my packages in. One of them came in yesterday. I never thought it was going to come in anytime soon because COVID-19 screws some stuff up, and all my packages came in from Japan. That's where Human Made is created, and it's created by Nigo. If you don't know who Nigo is the creator of Bape. Yes, Bape. He sold Bape. He no longer owns it. When he sold Bape, he started Human Made, and then he was already working with Pharrel with Ice Cream and Billionaires Boys Club, so he's a part of that brand too, and helping curate and help with that kind of stuff what's going on over there with those two brands. Without further ado, let's bust on the first package. And alright, so the first package, I ain't gonna show the bottom because my address on here and I ain't feel like wiping it out, so y'all just gonna show you the top part. So this, all my t-shirts came in this box. It just said Human Made and draw-alls on it. I don't know what draw-alls mean. I've been trying to figure it out for the longest. I've been asking online. I was trying to research it. I looked on Reddit. Nobody knew what draw-alls mean. So I'm still trying to figure it out. Anyway, so this came, and it's just basically my receipt and in a little packet, whatever. Just my receipt, ain't nothing pretty to see. Like that right there, so that's the side. Here we go. So this is the package that it came in. Fire, dope, like it, geared for futuristic teenagers. I don't know what it means. I'm still trying to figure it out. Again, I'm doing my research on this brand, and I think it's just fun and it's cool to figure stuff out and what the brand is like, what the brand is about and what it stands for. So just doing my research on it. I'm enjoying it as I go. So first t-shirt. Ew. Anyway, so the first t-shirt I got is say draw-alls. Again, I don't know what the hell that means. Is it like broken English they trying to figure out in Japanese, but I don't know. So it's a draw-alls on the front, and it's just not, that's not it. It's more print on it.
I think they forgot the B, so it's dry balls.
Why did you drop? If they put,
They've been rushing, bro. Dry balls.
So they just stuck with alls.
I was like, that's fire, bro. Let's keep that.
Right.
Keep that.
Right.
Yeah.
Maybe on something, bro.
Maybe. That's kind of weird though, actually. Never mind.
Anyway, all right, let me show you on the back side. So this was the first shirt that I ordered. I ordered this in April 11th, and it just got here and it's made now. So this came in yesterday, and I think, what today is? The 15th, 14th? So yeah, it's May 14th, and I'm just not getting this shirt. It took like a month
it's
for
the
me to get
15th.
this. Huh?
It's the 15th.
15. So it took me a month and 4 days to get this. So anyway, this is their main logo. It's like this weird, I don't know what it is again. I'm trying to figure this brand out. I really like it for like what the kind of designs they print. So just say Human Made on the back with the heart with the three stripes on it. And I got something to wear with these. Perfect outfit, simple. Thinking about doing a fit video, or I may just add it in this video. I don't know yet. Probably do a fit video. What you think?
I say so.
Fit video?
Last one was hard, man. We gotta do it again.
Oh yeah, if y'all ain't seen my last fit video, go watch that. Me and them killed that shit. But anyway, yeah, Human Made, dope brand. Also, the quality of t-shirts, bro. Top notch. Touch that. Touch it. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Tasty.
Yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, these t-shirts. As I was doing my research on Human Made, be sure to size up on these shirts because it's coming from Japan. Asian people are smaller than us, so a large may be an extra large or XL or 2 extra large. Well, 2X large. Yeah. So be sure to size up if you shop at Human Made because they are smaller people than us. So.
I don't believe you people.
Huh? What do you mean, you people?
So, yeah. In those shirts, each shirt's called $80. You get your money worth because the quality of the pie in it is like. Anyway. Alright, second shirt. Oh, put this in my ad. They're gonna run up on add this shit out like that right here. Right.
Yeah.
So the second t-shirt that I got course. Came in the same package. I like it. And I like that little polar bear. Oh. Right here.
Rip it open.
There it is.
I was gonna help you, but you got it.
All right, second t-shirt. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Right
That's it. I know. That's how you gonna geek.
Yeah.
So this one, just say dry off. Again, I do not know what the hell dry off mean. I'm trying to figure it out. If anybody know that's a big fan of Human Made and know the background of this brand, please let me know what it means.
Leave a comment below.
Like that right though. But that ain't it. Oh, before I show you that, everything like on the front patch, everything is embroidered. Quality.
Details.
Look at it. Right there. And on the back it says Human Made, of course, gears for futuristic teenagers. And I like this aesthetic that they have with like the racing flags. Dope. Simple fit. Stonewashed jeans. It's like some simple shoes.
Chucks.
Chucks. Oh!
Yep.
Yeah, I only gotta say, y'all already know what shoes gonna go with this.
Yep.
So I ain't even gonna tell y'all. Again, these shirts are comfortable as hell. I'm telling y'all. Comfortable. Soft, heavy, but light. I don't know if that makes sense, but it makes sense. Anyway. There it is.
There it is.
Catch that.
Oh, God.
Yeah, you gotta stay in your toes, boy.
Yeah, man.
There it is.
Come on, man.
Okay.
I got 4 eyes. I ain't seen nothing coming.
Me too. Alright. Oh yeah, all my shirts I got them in XL and 2XL. So just put it out there. And you will see them on me, I guess, the next video.
So that means we can share shirts because we got the same size.
Hey. Alright, second shirt I got.
I knew it. I freaking knew it.
Alright, so the second shirt I got, of course, it says Human Made, dry off, and it's that at the top. Nobody can I know what it means. I figured it out on my own.
Strawberry.
Nope.
Mac and
Nope.
something.
Keep trying. Just look at it. What it says at the top. Just look at it. No?
No, I can't.
Alright, if y'all can figure out what that say at the top.
String Carlberry.
Nope. If y'all can figure out what this says at the top.
Zavante.
I'll give y'all a shout out next video. I don't know. Just figure out what that mean at the top. But anyway, this one of the other shirts that I got. They use this polar bear as one of their mascots, which is dope. I missed out on one of their recent drops with the polar bear. They sold out quick. If you wear size XL at 2XL, they sell out really quick because a lot of people from the States buy from them. And again, we're bigger than like Japanese people, just like build wise. And yeah, they just sell out quick in those sizes. Every other size they still have in stock. But anyway,
Wait.
What's up?
They should do a collab with Coke. That'd be hard. Hey, hashtag collab with Coke. There you go.
There you go. But yeah, another shirt that I got also says Human Made on the back.
I can't see it.
They did it.
Alright.
But yeah, again, I really do like this brand. All these shirts cost $80. Y'all be like, bro, you said you won't buy no resale stuff from Supreme. That's expensive. Well, Supreme, again, is resale. And I'm not paying resale. And this is quality. Supreme is not quality. Like, compared to this, trust me. Just buy one t-shirt for them and you'll get quality. Like it. You done? You done?
No, go ahead. I was just saying,
Okay.
I can feel the cloth on my skin already.
I would let you wear it, but you're gonna tank the shirt. Alright, so last but not least, this is one of my favorite shirts that I got. It has another one of their mascots on it, somewhat mascot. Let me bust it thing. Oh, it's already open. Because I think I opened it earlier.
Or I did while you were sleeping.
Okay, you weird.
Alright.
You are weird.
I know.
Weird. Alright, so the next shirt that I got that I really wanted, can you see it in the frame? It's a frame?
I know. It's not.
Yeah, cool. So the shirt that I got is another one.
Bah!
Yeah! But anyway, another Human Made with a duck. They have like a lot of stuff going on with the duck, like with some collectible items, t-shirts, carpets. I want the carpet.
Same.
I'll post a picture of the the duck carpet, fire, and a polar bear carpet too, fire. But again, there's another shirt that I got, soft as hell, and I think it's made out of Japanese recycled cotton / bamboo cotton, something like that. I just wish that I could feel this. I wish. Test again, bro.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, you can't have it. Anyway, another one of my favorite shirts. I'm gonna get some Jordan ones. OG pine greens to wear with this. Perfect, bro. Just go to the heat right now. See a little heat.
Okay, oops. Cut. Oh gosh.
I'm gonna cut that out. But anyway, yeah, I think so. Jordan 1 OG pine greens will go perfect with this with some stone wash blue denim jeans. But I will do a fit video. Hopefully I can throw some stuff together. And I think I got some shoes I can wear with these as well. Yeah, if y'all want to cop Human Made, I'll put a link down below. Everything that I got, I'm pretty sure everything that I got is sold out in XL and 2XLs. And if y'all can't get it, I don't know what to tell you. But there are other sites you can get it from that's like in the States. They have like other like vendors that they sell to, you can buy from.
Buy from you in your closet, sucker. Resale.
Hey, think about it. I seen some stuff resale on Human Made. Hey, listen. Birdman. Go get my lotion, my hands dry. Nah, you good. But anyway, yeah, that's all the things that I got from Human Made. I want to make this channel strictly, not strictly, but more so on Human Made, me picking up stuff from Human Made, because like I really fuck with this brand. Just seeing like Nigo just giving up, like not giving up, but just selling Bape and just moving on to something new and just giving us something different than Bape. Because Bape is loud as hell. I don't think I will ever wear Bape. Probably will. I probably wear like some Bape shorts or the sweatpants. But yeah, it's like a whole 180 from Bape, and I really like this brand a lot. I want to get some more stuff from them. I want to get their collectibles. I want to get their rugs. I want to get just some of everything that they got and just show it to you all, because YouTube is just saturated right now with YouTubers just talking about Supreme. And I just feel like, why would I want to talk about Supreme when everybody is in that niche and nobody talking about Human Made, and it's a dope brand and nobody's talking about it. And I just feel like, okay, I'm gonna just slide in this little lane nobody really in. There's a couple of videos up on Human Made, but not a lot. You don't gotta say, I know this. Alright. But yeah, just look forward to the future of more Human Made stuff. I will be showing other brands as well. I got some stuff at Chinatown Market, another brand that I like that's different. And I got some stuff coming from them. Actually, I got a package right here, right below the camera. Don't eat.
Alright.
Anyway, yeah, I got some. I'm waiting for one more package to come in from them, and then I'll have that video ready to go. And yeah, again, like, comment, subscribe down below. I don't think I said in the beginning of the video, but go do that. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you see my last video, go watch that with me giving my nephew a gift that he really enjoyed and he really liked. And with that being said, like, comment, subscribe down below. Go tell a friend, go tell a mom, go tell your dad, go tell your girl, go tell your ex, go tell your great
The
dad,
cat
mom.
and dog.
Oh, I said that.
Oh, you tripping, man.
Alright, I'm out. JD, cut the camera. It's hot in here.
Trying to
Uh,
stop this. Whew, that was a good shoot, bro.
yeah, that's pretty good. Hot as hell in here, bro. I shouldn't even be eating it because I got these right here. And